The 2023 Grecale will be the second SUV to grace the Italian automaker's showrooms, part of Maserati's mission to broaden its lineup. The company's new compact luxury crossover slots beneath the larger, mid-size Levante. As with the new MC20 supercar, the Grecale's face features a distinctive Maserati grille, but the rest of its bulbous body typifies a class that includes competitors such as the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, the BMW X3, and the Porsche Macan. The 2023 Grecale comes standard with all-wheel drive and a 296 horsepower turbo 4. A 325 horsepower version of that engine is also available. The top-of-the-line Trofeo offers maximum performance with a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and an all-electric Maserati Grecale Folgore will join the lineup next year. We review both of those models separately. The Grecale was first teased back in 2020 during the reveal presentation of the MC20. Now finally, after we glimpsed a prototype version and were shown even more teaser images, Maserati's second SUV has been officially revealed. Maserati has announced that the Grecale will start at just under $65,000. That places it among the priciest compact luxury crossovers in the class. We'd recommend the Medina trim, since it unlocks the four-cylinder engine's maximum 325 horsepower. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Grecale is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. In the GT, the engine makes 296 horsepower, but the Medina receives a higher output version of that engine with 325 horses. During our initial test drive, we noticed some turbo lag from the high-output four-cylinder engine, but otherwise praised the powertrain for its perky acceleration and generous power. The ride is forgiving in the Grecale's sportier drive modes, and with the comfort mode selected it is downright pillowy. Handling is fairly neutral and the Grecale's athleticism is easy to exploit, but the Porsche Macan still provides more driving pleasure. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Grecale's fuel economy estimates from the EPA show that the most efficient models are the ones with the Turbo 4, which are rated for 22 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. When we get a chance, we'll put the Grecale through its paces on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route and report its results here. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Grecale's elegant interior design incorporates some high-tech flourishes. Along with rich materials throughout the cabin, the dash includes a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and pair of touchscreens on the center stack. The upper unit measures 12.3 inches and handles the infotainment system, while the 8.8-inch lower screen contains HVAC and other controls. A 3-zone climate system as well as a head-up display are optional. Passengers should have enough space to be comfortable as long as those in the back aren't too tall or riding 3 across. The Grecale's cargo area offers up to 20 cubic feet of space, and Maserati says the area behind the power-folding rear seats features a flat-load floor with a storage compartment underneath. Infotainment and connectivity. The Grecale's Google-based infotainment system primarily runs through a 12.3-inch touchscreen, but there's another 8.8-inch touchscreen below that controls other functions. Every model comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A Wi-Fi hotspot is available with a subscription. The Grecale's infotainment system also works with voice command services like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The SUV's audio system can also be upgraded to a 21-speaker, 1,285-watt Sonos Faber stereo. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.